My name is Josh Spurrell, and I'm the president and founder of Spurrell & Associates Chartered Professional Accountants. So I believe the first person you should talk to when starting a business is a CPA or Chartered Professional Accountant, because that professional is going to be able to set you up to operate your business in the most tax-efficient manner possible. Generally, what happens if you try to incorporate on your own, you're not going to set up the articles of incorporation in a tax-efficient manner. So you're not going to be able to execute the tax strategies that are generally necessary to reduce taxes. Generally, you want to talk to a CPA prior to incorporating. Most good lawyers will actually refer you back to a CPA if you haven't already done so. What that does is allow the CPA to devise a tax strategy that the lawyer can then implement. Basically, the CPA will provide written instructions to the lawyer so they can set your articles of incorporation up in the most tax-efficient manner possible. It's a good idea to talk to a CPA even if you plan to operate as an unincorporated sole proprietorship. The CPA can determine if that structure is appropriate for you, and if it is appropriate to you, they can walk you through the types of things that you're going to have to track in order to file your personal tax return in an efficient manner at the end of the year. One mistake that new entrepreneurs can make is setting up their business bank accounts and insurance accounts prior to talking with a CPA. Once they talk with a CPA, sometimes they uncover that the structure that they plan to use is not the most tax efficient structure. And then once they have the most tax efficient structure in place, they're going to have to reset up all of the business bank accounts and insurance accounts. At Spurrell & Associates, it doesn't cost anything for your first initial consult. It's really important to us that we can understand exactly what the business owner needs and give them a reliable fixed fee monthly quote that they can count on. If you're a startup looking to hire a CPA, what you should be looking for is a CPA with significant public practice experience, ideally a CPA with a team behind them as well. You want to find a CPA that has experience in the type of industry that you're operating in. At Spurrell & Associates, we don't believe in just doing year ends and tax returns. We believe 50% of all small businesses fail because they haven't done adequate planning, and we believe this number is avoidable. So at Spurrell & Associates, we do financial plans and business plans that maximize the owner's chance of success, in addition to doing the conventional tax and financial statements. We believe it actually is a pain point for a lot of small business owners in finding a CPA who can help them with their planning. Often, CPA firms are set up to do financial statements and tax returns, but they're not set up to actually give business plans in an efficient manner in a way that most small business owners can afford. If you want to establish if a CPA can complete the planning required to maximize the success of your small business, you shouldn't be afraid to ask to see the sample financial plans and business plans that CPA is ultimately going to generate for your business.